Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explain what does OTP means on Snapchat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Snapchat, click on the sign up option. And from here, all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You can log into chat or you can get it from Microsoft. You can simply download the app for your mobile device and you're good to go. Now, if you encounter the OTP on Snapchat, basically it stands for one true pairing. Okay? Now, this term is commonly used to refer to a favorite or ideal romantic pairing of characters, often in fictional contexts such as books, movies, TV shows, or even real-life celebrities. In the context of Snapchat, users might use OTP to express their support for a particular romantic pairing or relationship they admire or ship. Okay, it's important to note that the meaning of acronyms like OTP can vary depending on the context and platforms, so it's always good to consider this specific context which it's being used on Snapchat. Now, it's not a one-time password generation, right? So there's a lot of misconception about OTP. Again, it stands for one true pairing. Now, you might want to go here instead if you still have more questions about OTP. Just go here and the snapshot support wherein you can ask the AI if they happen to know what this OTP means. Alright, just click on the contact us option right here. And from here, submit a request. Okay, and ask the questions of what does an OTP means on Snapchat. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next one.